Hi students, in this short video I want to teach you how to do number 7 of your workbook. This is from chapter 12, exercise number 2, and then this is number 7 of the exercise number 2. So this one is a total mass, as we can read over here, total mass of two similar clay pots and two similar metal pots was 13.2 kilogram. And then the mass of one such clay pot was 3 times as the mass of metal pot. So what was the question was, what was the mass of a clay pot? So as we can learn also, right, we need to, it's better we read these sentences out loud and then with focus. Yeah, so as we can see over here, total mass of two similar clay pots and two similar metal pots. Now sometimes you need to read down slowly, yeah, just and then maybe you need to read it in repeatedly so that you understand. So you have two clay pots, two similar metal pots, and then the mass was 13.2 kilograms. So I try to rewrite two clay pots plus the two metal pots is equal to 13.2 kilogram. And then the next sentence is the mass of one such clay pot was 3 times the mass of metal pot. Now, and then as we know from the sentence, we know that the clay pot is heavier than the metal pot, one metal pot. Yeah, so we compare one with one, right? And then the mass was for the clay pot was 3 times the mass of a metal pot. So I just try to rewrite like one clay pot is equal to 3 metal pots in terms of the mass. Now, and then the question was over here, what was the mass of a clay pot? So I put the clay pot, one clay pot is question mark. Now, so before we can do this one, so as we can see, right, we know how to, we see the sentences and then we see the numbers, right, with numbers. But sometimes, yeah, we do not only see the numbers that we have in the sentence to do the problems, but we need to go deeper and then try to draw the models before we can do the calculations. So in this case, for number 7 over here, we need to draw the models. Now, so this is the models that we have. Okay, so 2 clay pots and 2 metal pots, and then the total mass of the 2 clay pots and 2 metal pots in total was 13.2 kilogram. And then we try to draw again, right, the second sentence over here, which is the mass of one clay pot. One clay pot is 3 times of metal pots. So we can see over here one clay pot, one metal pot, one metal pot, 2 metal pots, right? And then this one 2 clay pots. So we need to draw this one is one metal pot compared with one clay pot should be 3 times, right? One clay pot should be 3 times of metal pots. So you see 1, and then you see one clay pot is over here, it should be 3, right? So 1, 2, 3, and then this is the second clay pot, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so clay pot 1, 1, 2, 3 of metal pots, clay pot 2, 1, 2, 3 of the metal pots. So this is the model. Now, and then the question mark is over only one clay pot. Yeah, sorry for the sounds in the background. So this is the question mark. So what we need to do is the first thing, as we can see over here, now this one is become feasible, right? Become feasible. There are 8 parts. If we only see the sentence, we do not know where the 8 parts come from. Yeah, because there's no 8 over here. But if we go deeper and then when we draw the models, we can see that there are 8 parts over here for the 13.2. Now, so 13.2 divided by 8, this one is equal to 1.65. 1.65. Yeah, and then after that, step number 2 is only this one, right? The question over here, 3 metal pots, right? So 3 times 1.65. The things that you have in step 1, you use it in step 2. Yeah, so that's the rules, the simple rules that we can use. Okay, so that's it for number 7. Hope this explanation will be helpful for you. Okay, I see you again in the next one. Thank you.